Hello, welcome. I'm Alvin Moyo. In this video, I'm walking through TalentScope, a production-grade AI recruitment engine designed for real hiring environments. This is a technical walkthrough. We'll focus on architecture, workflow, discipline, and compliance, not a marketing demo. Most AI recruitment tools start with spreadsheets. TalentScope starts where real recruitment actually begins: vacancies, compliance constraints, unstructured CVs, and human oversight. What you're looking at is not a demo script or a chatbot interface. It's a sovereign recruitment node, a self-hosted, auditable system built for production hiring. Recruitment does not start with candidates, it starts with intent. In TalentScope, the recruiter defines the vacancy first. That can mean generating a job description with the system or pasting a well-defined job description they already trust. This canvas becomes the single source of truth. It is deliberately editable because in a production system, humans set intent. Everything downstream, the outreach, the ingestion, the evaluation, and review flows from this definition. Once intent is set, we move into campaign preparation. Before a role goes live, TalentScope vets the job description against UK Equity Act 2010 principles. It flags exclusionary language at source before candidates even see the advert. From that same vetted role definition, the system generates outreach artifacts, LinkedIn adverts, and a job board copy for platforms like Indeed, CV Library, or internal notices. This remains human in the loop. The system produces compliant, structured content. The recruiter decides where and when to publish. With the campaign live, we bring talent into scope. TalentScope supports multiple ingestion paths. Recruiters can attach batches of CVs manually using the plus action or trigger a warehouse scan across the internal CV database. The warehouse acts as a consolidated talent lake containing CVs ingested by any means, including live inbox monitoring. Crucially, storage and evaluation are decoupled. Candidates can exist in the system without being evaluated until a role explicitly calls them into scope. The strategic move here is a contextual filter. The system scans the entire warehouse, but only selects and processes candidates specific to the active role. We aren't just matching keywords, we are performing a targeted harvest from our internal data sovereign. Once candidates are processed, we arrive at the decisioning matrix. Scores are color-coded for immediate triage. The recruiter controls sensitivity using a threshold slider. Lowering the threshold increases recall, raising it increases precision. The recruiter decides where the balance sits for each role. From this screen, we can perform bulk decisioning, sending shortlisting messages or rejection notices to dozens of candidates at once. Every action, every message, and every threshold shift is logged. The audit trail in the sovereign config ensures that every decision is defensible and documented. Clicking a candidate takes us to the talent review, the deep dive layer. Here, the system provides a comprehensive summary and a human-readable rationale. We aren't just looking at a score, we are looking at why the score was given. This works because TalentScope enforces structured JSON schemas on all AI reasoning. The model is not chatting about candidates. It is populating a predefined data model. Recruiters can download the original CV, add recruiter notes, and edit a personalized message for the candidate. We have converted unstructured text into a deterministic data model that supports judgment without replacing it. Finally, we look at the operational layer. In the sovereign config, recruiters can manage ingestion sources, including IMAP-based email listeners, and review the full audit trail. Every CV entering the system, whether via live inbox ingestion or manual attachment, is fingerprinted using SHA-256 at the moment of ingestion. This gives us document-level provenance. We can detect reapplications, document changes, and duplication at the file level, not just by name or email. When a campaign ends, a smart reset clears candidate data, job descriptions, and local session state together. This enforces strict isolation between recruitment rounds, preventing context bleed, residual bias, and cross-session contamination. What you have seen here is the difference between an AI prototype and an operational recruitment system. TalentScope is designed for environments where intent, document-level integrity, and data sovereignty matter as much as model capability. It is not a black box ATS. It is a sovereign recruitment node, built to be auditable, compliant, and inspectable by design. This channel will continue to document the architecture and design decisions behind systems like this. Thank you for watching.